got it, you got it. The rabbit and the deer.
The rabbit and the deer. Rabbit and the deer.
Oh yeah. No, not the deer.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, he's just doing the rabbit and the train.
Oh.
He's so cute.
I have a joke.
He's great.
I'm actually just gonna do number 2 and number 3 because it's a really long joke. There's 3 things.
I would never see anything that is
Go ahead, Rourke.
Okay, go.
Talking to the microphone.
Comedian.
I'm not a comedian.
Only a comedian would say that.
Just remember, this is the second one, and you might not know what it's about. Fine, I'll tell you. There are this pack of hunters, and you'll know the rest. There's this one hunter that came back with a giant deer. This is the second one, remember? And then the third hunter was like, there's only 3 of them, and then the third one's like, where did you get that? And he was like, me see deer track. Me follow deer track. Me see deer. Me shoot deer. Deer, stop. The next day, hunter comes back all bloody, and the first hunter says, what happened? Then he's like, me see train tracks. Me follow train tracks. Me see train. Me shoot train. Train, no, stop.
Yay! Woo!
Got it. Got it. That guy's going places. Awesome.